How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. So here is a step-by-step guide to share your Canva design on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to the preferred web browser, navigate to the Canva and tap on the design you want to share. So here, as you can see, this is my completed design and I want to share this to WhatsApp. Now first of all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. Now tap on the download option available there. Select the file type, then tap on the download and wait for a while for it to be downloaded to your device. You can simply tap on the downloaded file and save it to the downloads desktop or anywhere on your device. Now once done, so open the WhatsApp on the new tab and navigate to the chat you want to send this file to. Then all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom left, then tap on the document, then select from where this file should be extracted and tap on it and tap on the open and send it to your friend or group. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.